What's up, everybody? So thanks for tuning in to another Wilson Garage video. We are actually working on the 2-valve again. As you can see in the title of this video, we are doing something that I've always wanted to do, just simply because it will lose weight and make it easier to work on this thing if anything was to ever happen. That's right, we are doing a tubular front end. The tubular front end we got it from TeamZ, and I've tried to look at some instructional things on TeamZ's website, on just YouTube in general, and there's not much out there. So I wanted to try and do a New Edge SN95 and do somewhat of a decent where to cut, what I did, and what it looks like at the end. So this is going to be a 3-part video: disassembly, prep, and then we're going to weld everything on. So this first one, I'm not going to go into too much detail. It's pretty much you just stripping the whole front end of this car off, just to get down to your sides, to your core support, so you can get ready to chop it off. So we'll start the time lapse, and let's go. Alright, everybody, so that's pretty much a wrap. I still have to take 2 bolts off of this fender. I can't get back in there because of where the car is at. But trans cooler and radiator, and this thing is pretty much ready to start cutting off and start prepping for the actual tube part. So that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you can see the next video and then the ending result. So, till next time, guys, we'll see you later.